What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chess Games. I'm playing Venom 2. This is part 2 on practice mode. And I'm playing with my sister. Say hi. 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 So let's start. My voice just changed.
What's a beef jerky? Don't eat it yet. Beans look good? Oh, absolutely. She's not kidding. This is literally all the things we would need to fish.
Doesn't like your phone this week.
All right, Jimmy. I'll throw in 2 feasible bars. Yes.
Little beef bar. Okay, get up.
That week of food costs as much as my kid's college tuition.
Alright. I just got up.
Money falls out of the sky. The food from the crate will feed them for 10 days.
Today we doing the boat escape. So let's see what this boat look like. Yeah. What is that? Oh, what is that? Oh no! Shut up.
Rambling on about his kids, and my 2-year-old doesn't sleep very well either. So this happened.
I'm about to eat this. Hey, why is you backing up like that? I'm gonna try that when I can.
Moving water. There's fish.
Man,
It's like a dock.
y'all go sit down.
After a few days, a surprise freezing rainstorm.
No! Baby.
They decided to move and upgrade.
What? Pepper off. She took her pepper off. Go put pepper off. Good. Get. Why did you take your pepper off? Come here.
I'm sorry. No, it's alright. I'm glad I broke the ball. I'm sorry. Alright, so maybe they had a bit of a false start. Once they got the structure back, they spent the entire next day putting their finishing touches on their shelter and fishing dog to help them catch more food. Dog's done? Pleasantly surprised. And all we gotta do is catch a fish. Come on. Yeah, right? And as good as this was, without sleeping bags, the winter night was still unforgettable.
You been up here on my bed. That's good.
So I think I knew what my next
Yeah,
It's
that's
10:20 and they go super deep in the woods, so now we have to get there by boat.
Oh yeah. She got a name.
Anything I know we find them, I got a fun offer. Let's go, boys.
Give me all I put it on first. I'm not comfortable. Huh? You said what, man? I'm not comfortable. You're not.
When we started this thing, we were in the class without anything. We've adapted to it. I'm not even kidding. You're actually gonna say no to both? Yeah, so I think it's fine. We don't want it. Yeah, agreed. Wow, not even a single sleeping bag. All right.
Yes, purple out. For us. I'll be back.
With a Ring Video doorbell, see who's coming to town. And with Ring cameras, capture all the holiday magic.
I need a padlock.
With Ring, you're always home for the holidays.
A padlock key. Alright, now.
Alright, boys, close it up. Sure, the boys could survive without sleeping bags, but that didn't solve the problem. In between sitting out rainy days, the boys got into a bit of a routine. They would work on their shelter and try to catch fish, which wasn't working out for them.
Lady Bubba.
And hopefully the fish come up off the bottom of the creek. Day after day of failing to catch any fish. Let's go check the lines, see if any catfish are on. They finally caught a wind in their sails. Oh.
Back on here.
Or whatever that abomination of Mother Nature was.
You take that off again. Let me see you take it off.
I'm going to charcoal grill it. We're going to have ourselves some American-style unagi.
This is the first thing that we've caught out here in 27 days, which is insane. We're happy to have it, and we're
Oh, you just like being butt naked.
But the fact that they haven't had a fresh meal in almost 30 days
You
means
killed
even
the
a
baby?
rock would taste good to them at this
Not
point.
yet. Yes. We got the gas.
dude, yeah, $3.6 million.
And on day 28, they started constructing their raised bed system in their new shelter.
So it's going to be 2 tripods, 1, 2, side rails going down, slats across, and then a nice pine needle mattress made out of
And
parachutes.
after seeing their new shelter become more and more comfortable, I was starting to get worried that I was going to have to pay these guys millions of dollars.
The only regret that I have, the not bunk beds.
That's honestly an L.
They were betting everything on their new shelter being
I
right
didn't
next to the street. But that may have been a huge mistake because they couldn't catch another eel to save their lives.
Snapped it. At this point, I've spent more time in the wilderness than I have with my newborn son. I also have a 2-year-old, my wife alone. How do you explain to a 2-year-old that daddy's going to be gone and he won't talk to you, and he won't call you, and he won't see you? Say they were making us an offer. What would be something that you would actually buy?
We spend a lot of time out here trying to get firewood. Firewood dropped off would be really nice. I'd probably pay $10,000 for that.
We are literally in the middle of the forest. I couldn't tell you where we are anymore. How's it going, boys?
Doing great, man. How are you?
As a reward for surviving an entire month, I brought you a score.
Oh, okay.
You see, we come through all of your vlog footage, and we wrote down everything you've asked for, such as firewood, a shovel, cooking supplies, bedding, and even books and board games. It's like a dollar store, but everything costs 10 grand. This is your store? Feel free to shop.
We've won 200.
Okay, crowbar.
Might as well check it out.
What are these? Those are mosquito nets. Oh, we need parachutes. We don't need those.
All right, what about the hammocks?
I like the hammocks, but we haven't tried making them out of parachutes yet.
All right, guys, answer this. What can you not make out of parachute?
A lot.
All right, well, do you guys want the firewood?
How much?
That's the wood you get.
If it came with unlimited wood, I would buy it.
I offered them literally everything they could
I
possibly
like
need
it.
here, and they still weren't interested. I was beginning to think these two were secretly Navy SEALs or something. Are you guys gonna buy literally anything? You make 10 grand a day. What's another 10 grand?
I gotta say no.
All right.
Yes.
In a million years, would not have thought they would say no to everything. Next time, I'm gonna convince you.
Looking forward to it.
Yes. Rub that nickel, yeah. But Palacky. Oh God.
I have a special surprise for all of you. Nolan, what does this look like? A lot of fun. 1,000 posts for you. Because over the next 7 days, I'm going to be giving 1,000 random people that subscribe a free Samsung Galaxy S24. I literally spent over $1 million on these phones, and I'm giving them away to you. All you have to do to enter in one of these phones to subscribe is free. I just want you to know I appreciate everything you guys have been doing for the channel. It means the world to me. Let's go. And so to continue, without any of the tools, for the next few days, they weren't able to catch any fish. And even though the money kept coming, they were running out of food and time to catch up.
Oh.
Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. Maybe 2 days.
I pet my knuckles.
Without a boat, this creek, we gotta go to that river. If I can get to that river and the fishing is good, that'll turn all this around.
And with their rations running dangerously low, they're
Get off my foot. Yeah. Claire, stop crying all the time.
But after a grueling hike, Chase finally found what he was looking for.
You guys got the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? Finding this river is probably the difference between us
What?
and our goal and us tackling our goal.
Daddy.
We made our own fishing pole, and this is the
Stop, Kalani.
With Hayes' makeshift fishing pole immediately breaking, he was going to have to use his hands. And he spent hours trying and failing. without immediately dropping them. The calories burned coming here would have been for nothing. But just when he was ready to give up,
This one's gonna be it.
yes! Holy moly! Yes, I told you it was that one! And the look didn't stop there.
I cannot wait to bring this back to Grizz. He's gonna be so stoked. We're eating tonight. Hey! All right, that's awesome. Feels like this is our first real food.
So I keep on watching TV.
That I know they couldn't refuse. Since day 40, they've made over $250 million, and I have an incredibly special
What?
for $10,000, and I think you're really gonna like it.
One,
You can see your watch. In fact, they're watching right now.
3, 4, 5. Go that way, that way, that way, that way. I can remember that way. Little wrong. To the left, to the right. I'm looking up. Nah.
Was to see their families, the visit was also bittersweet because there's one big question.
The boat wheel.
How long
The
do
shotgun.
you want us to stay?
I want you home now. Like, I do.
I know you want me.
The
Do you need me?
Yes, she needs you. Yes, you need to bond with your son. I don't care what anyone says. You've made enough money. I need you home.
That conversation was so difficult for me. Even so,
Daddy.
yesterday was a really good
Daddy.
day. It had all of the things that I love. It had my family, my wife, my kids, my buddy.
Says
It
that.
was like a really
Football.
huge gift. Oh, they're gone.
Say what football.
To hold her and know
Man,
that she was safe
man, what that
really has
football?
changed the way that I'm.
What the hell? Man, what that football? Yes.
After some much-needed family time, Casey
It's gone, baby. My butt is gone. Goodbye, y'all. And peace.